Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great weekend, and welcome to this beginning of the week update on Bitcoin. We'll talk about everything you need to know, so that includes fundamentals, technicals, and just in general my thoughts on the market right now. The market right now obviously is in a quite a weird state, to be honest. We got some bullish momentum during the night, as you can see. I'll zoom in a little bit, but we also gave it up after touching the 236 fib. And we've basically, since like Saturday evening, we've been consolidating. So I do expect some moves today, and we'll talk about that. But just in general, I'll try to give you as much of a thorough overview as possible of this week and what to expect from Bitcoin. So before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. All right, but now into Bitcoin. So the thing is that obviously, I mean, the situation right now, I think, can be best compared to the situation we had here. These bearish moves, so those very big ones, those sudden ones without any clear reasoning behind it, is also what we had with Bitcoin. With this move, for example, but I would also argue with this move Friday evening. There are perhaps bigger fundamental things behind it, but no direct bearish fundamental causes behind it. And those moves are very, very similar to these. See, they're not similar to the ones in here, because the ones in here actually always did have some sort of a reason behind it, whether it was fundamental or technical. Apart from that, dollar strength index is just consolidating, which I expect it will continue to do for this week, because we really do not have any big economic numbers coming out. We have new home sales, we have initial jobless claims, and Friday we actually do have the PCE price index, but that's so far away that doesn't really matter too much for now yet. So the thing is that what I expect for Bitcoin is I actually think that we have turned quite bearish. And there are two support levels which I'm looking at right now. The first one is right here around 26,700, where you got the 382 fib, for example, but it's also been respected quite a lot. And the other one really is around 25,250. And I do think we have turned that bearish. It will drop down to one of those levels. And 26,700 is first, of course, so that's my first price target. But for now, what you usually see is that, especially after dropping down, like what we did like from Wednesday to Friday, which is like 2.5 days, we dropped 11%. That's quite a lot. That's quite a big initial drop. So what I expect now is that we'll kind of get into some sort of a bearish flag. So that's a continuation pattern, which works pretty well. And it's basically that if you have a big drop down, that you kind of trend up in an inverse flag kind of thing. So something like this. And that from a strong resistance level, you then drop down again to the next low. And that next low for now would be 26,700. I'm not sure how much support we'll get there. But I do think we'll get some at least. But for now, I do think that yes, we can form some sort of a bullish flag. I'm not sure yet, though, if it's really going to be a bullish flag or just a small consolidation, because the main resistance that's holding us up now is this level under 28,000 and between like 27,800 and 28,000. And if you take a look at, for example, Ethereum doesn't look like it's going to get a flag. It's just going to consolidate a bit here, I think. So I'm not too sure for Bitcoin now, but I do think we will be able to find some sort of a consolidation on top of that like 27,200 level. And then we'll see if we are actually able to break above like 28,000, then we could actually flag up and kind of have a small bullish momentum up to this level right here around 28,500, 28,300. But I do not think at this point of time, before hitting one of those major support levels, that we can get any form of real bullish momentum. So yeah, that's my take on Bitcoin this morning. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.